Assalamualaikum, marhaba.
What does that
This is my
mean?
friend from Afghanistan.
Hello. Hi.
He's the owner of this shop.
Pleased
how
to
do
meet
say,
you.
hello in Afghan? Same, no? Assalamualaikum. Thank you.
Cute. Let's go upstairs. This is John of Art and brother Jason here. We are here at the
Afghan Brothers Restaurant.
Afghan Brothers Restaurant.
And
So
here
we just met one of the brothers.
Do you see here? There's like a majlis here.
What's that?
Majlis like the hall.
Ah,
So we'll be eating in a hall. So for example, this one.
wow.
So we'll be eating on the floor here.
Amazing.
Afghanistan style.
Like truly.
So this is made of clay. No? Clay. It's, okay, let's go. Let's move here.
Okay, let's move.
Let's go to our own cave.
Okay.
Our own majlis.
Magically. So, how do we get in? Welcome,
Are we online?
welcome.
Are we online?
Remove the shoes.
Are we on record?
Yep, yes, of course.
Remove the shoes. That is
Remove the shoes.
courtesy of the
Okay.
culture.
Oh, like very Asian as well.
Okay.
Oh, your
Because
shoes,
It
Alex.
is rude with when you bring the shoes inside because the shoes are
Hi,
dirty.
guys.
The shoes are dirty.
Of course, it's just common sense. And then you just sit.
And in Arabic culture, you shouldn't show your
Soles.
sole of your feet or foot because it's considered to be rude because you're showing the dirt. For example, you're like this.
Yeah.
Even doing like this
Okay.
is considered rude, especially for the person sitting here.
Okay.
means, hey,
Like,
you think,
hey, F you,
This-
put you.
Do I deserve this? That's why in the Arabic culture you have to really sit proper. No?
This is that's
rude?
the proper
Yeah.
way. That's very American. When you do that.
Then you will see it like that if an Arabic person
That's
will see
American.
that, they will look at it like they will-
Disdainfully.
yeah, that's just considered rude. So that's part of the culture, no?
Okay,
So,
so
this is called majlis. Am I correct? Majlis is a hall where people get together and they can eat. So we will be eating on the floor, right?
Babe, you're not supposed to sit on this thing.
Okay,
I
tell
know.
us, maybe the kids can say something about this. Why? Why do we have to eat on the floor?
Because
Why? Hello, assalamualaikum. How are you, my friend? He's from Egypt. No? He's from
Hello.
Egypt, my friend. Thank you very much.
so can anyone please describe what's going on?
we're eating
Okay, this is like a goat, made of goat. No, what is this called, my friend? Goat meat soup. So in Philippines, it's like papaitan. It's like a goat meat.
Oh, not exactly. Does
Kind
it
of,
have
you know?
goat food?
Goat
Or
meat.
nilagang
parang ano,
nilagang kambing?
And very high in cholesterol.
sa inyo yung may
Papaitan. Batman.
batuan.
Linaga. Nilagang.
Try.
Okay.
So it's spicy, but it's different, no? Because their spice is really spice. There's a
Okay.
taste of cardamom,
So wow. Our first time.
cinnamon,
Do I have
and
these? Okay. What if I
so
spill
it's also maanghang.
soup?
But what is missing there, I think, is lemon, or something, a zest of acid, because papaitan is more acidic because of the sampalok, tamarind. So this one, to make it, you request for lemon. No? Can I request for lemon wedges?
Lemon.
You squeeze a lemon, usually Mediterranean and Arabic
Korean.
cuisine. Usually they really use lemon more than vinegar. In Philippines we use more vinegar,
And calamansi.
calamansi, and tamarind to make it sour. So
And but
this
one.
And but one. I talk too
This
much,
is
huh?
a salad, and I can just edit it out. If I'm. This is tomato, whatever. And oh, the ever familiar drinks. Where in the world that you don't have these?
So come on, let's eat.
Eat. What do we have here?
What do we have here? This is a fresh goat meat. So direct from Afghanistan.
My goodness.
And of course, chicken everywhere. Chicken in Doha. I think we have a poultry farm already. And the rice is, so this is the traditional Arabic serving. No?
Okay.
The rice, it's called mandi rice. It's a kind of preparation, like we could say paella or balenciana. So this one, the yellow rice, we call it bukhari. Bukhari.
So that one is different from this
Bukhari.
one.
This one is mandi. I requested for more mandi because we like mandi more.
Mandi more.
Oh yeah, mandi more.
Okay.
And of course, this orange thing is a makbous rice.
So they're different rice. To me, they're all
So
same.
different spices inside. So different spices. So the spices gives the
spiced
color.
rice.
So mandi is very simple spices. There's different spices. Makbous is also a favorite of Arabic. No, for the Arabic dish, this is one of the most popular. So Afghanistan, they have mandi.
Okay,
I
mandi rice.
like mandi rice. And of course,
Alright.
bukhari is also famous.
Traditionally, are you supposed to dig in with your hands, or
Yes.
do you
Yes.
use? Okay, so
Yes.
those are just for
Useless.
Filipinos.
That's for Filipino. This one is for the
Just
budol
like,
fights. Maybe like budol.
okay,
You put
with
it
your
on here,
hands. Okay.
here on the table, which is like with the liner.
The same.
You
It's
put the
budol
liner.
fight.
Budol fight.
So that's the reason for the.
Maybe
the
because
liner.
it saves resources. It saves washing the dishes.
But too much plastic waste.
That's
That's the downside.
maybe the original.
Traditionally,
is not
what do
plastic.
they use?
We
Is
don't
it
know. Maybe
leaves,
camel
banana?
skin.
Oh,
Well-
camel skin.
Water is a scarce resource, so
Okay.
we don't usually use plates, but maybe just put it here. You know?
All right. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Maybe it's made of wood, the original one, whatever is available.
Okay. So let's dig
Let's
in.
eat.
Tell them to change it.
Which part?
It's video. So look at that. We're done eating, and now they say this is the reason why there are
Siesta.
cushions here for siesta.
This is our restaurant.
Resting in a restaurant. So maybe that's why they
So what
call
happened
it
to
a
the food?
restaurant.
Can you take away?
No more takeaway. So food is all done, and we're all here taking a rest. This is John of Art, Jason, Thor, AC, the other guys. Peace, man. Bye for now. So this is a big pot of what? Is that goat soup?
Goat meat soup.
Is that goat
Goat soup.
rice?
Alright.
Okay, rice, mandi rice.
Bukhari rice.
Bukhari rice. Wow. Mandi rice for there. Okay. And then from there it becomes that one. Wow, amazing. Thank you. Shukran. Shukran.